Now see one more question. Draw a number line and answer the following. Which number will we reach if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1? We have to find out that where we will reach when we will start from 1 and we will move 5 numbers to the left. See here students, start from 1 and make 5 jumps towards left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So where we reach? We reach at -4. Therefore what will be the answer? -4 will be the answer. Let's see one more example. If we are at -8 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach -13? Okay, now see here on the number line I written here all the numbers and we have to identify that if we are at -8 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach -13? We are at -8 and we have to reach where? -13. So in which direction we have to go? We have to go on the left. Therefore what will be the answer? On left side. Students, now we are going to discuss the next part, addition of integers. Students, see here, first we are going to discuss about addition of positive integer and one negative integer. Students, remember that when you will add one positive integer and one negative integer, then always subtract. Okay. Now here see, subtract 5 minus 2. What will be the answer? 3. But which sign given to that answer? How to decide that? Students, ignore signs of given numbers. Ignore signs. So after ignoring this plus sign, what will remain? 5. And here ignoring this minus, what will remain? 2. So here 5 is greater than 2 by ignoring sign. Yes or no? And what is the sign of that 5? Plus. Therefore answer also will take that sign only. So what will be the sign of the answer? Plus sign. So here see one more example. Here see -5 we have and +2 we have. One positive integer and one negative integer. So here again subtraction. Why? Because one is positive, one is negative. Therefore subtract 5 minus 2, 3. So what sign to be given to that answer? Again we have to decide by ignoring sign. Ignore sign of these both the numbers. So here we have 5, here 2. So therefore 5 is greater than 2 by ignoring sign. Yes or no? Therefore what is the sign of this 5? Minus sign. So answer also will take minus sign. I hope you understood this part also. See one more. Positive integer plus positive integer. If both the integers are positive, then what we have to do? See here, +5 plus +2. So here addition. If both the integers are positive, then we have to add them. 5 plus 2 is what? 7. And greater integer is having which sign? Plus sign. Therefore +7 will be the answer. Now next part is negative integer plus negative integer. If both the integers are negative, then what we have to do? See here. Students, remember that if both the integers are negative, then also we have to add. Therefore 5 plus 2 is what? 7. But what is the sign of greater number? I told while deciding sign we have to ignore sign of the numbers. So ignore sign of this 2 also and 5 also. So only compare 2 and 5. So here 5 is greater than 2. Yes or no? So and what is the sign of 5? Minus sign. Therefore answer also will take that sign only. Students, remember if both the integers are negative, then addition. Remember addition. If one integer is positive and one integer is negative, then what we have to do? Subtraction. That you remember. One integer positive, one negative, subtraction. If both are negative as well as both are positive, then addition. I hope you understood this part also. Students, one important thing you remember, numbers such as 3 and -3, 2 and -2, when added to each other, give the sum 0. They are called additive inverse of each other. Remember, 3 is the additive inverse of -3 and -3 is the additive inverse of 3. In the same way, 2 is the additive inverse of -2 and -2 is the additive inverse of 2. In the same way, we can say 7 is the additive inverse of -7 and -7 is the additive inverse of 7. I hope you understood this also. Students, now let's discuss addition of integers on a number line. One example we'll take. Let us add 3 and 5 on number line. Students, we know that how to add two positive numbers. So in 3 we have to add 5. So start from 0 and make first 3 jumps to reach at 3. Okay. And in this 3 we need to add 5. So move towards right hand side as we are adding positive integer. Okay. So whenever you will add any positive integer, always move towards right hand side. So after 3, how many jumps? 5 jumps. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So where we reach? We reach at 8. Therefore what will be the sum of 3 and 5? That is 8. Now let's see one more example. add minus 3 and minus 5 on the number line. Students, in this minus 3, we need to add minus 5. So start from 0 and move towards left hand side as we need to add minus integer. Okay. So therefore 1, 2, 3. So we are at now minus 3. In that minus 3, what we have to add? Minus 5. So again move towards left hand side only as we are going to add negative integer. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Therefore where we reach? We reach at minus 8. And just now we studied that if two integers are negative, then we have to add them. So 5 plus 3 is 8. And what is the sign of greater number? That is minus. Therefore minus 8 will be the answer. And here also we got minus 8 only. Therefore minus 3 plus minus 5 is minus 8. Students, let's take one more example. Add plus 5 and minus 3. Now here see, one integer is positive, one integer is negative. So let's start how to add. See here. First we have plus 5. So we'll start from 0 and we'll make 5 jumps towards right hand side as we need to show that plus 5. Okay. So in that 0 we are going to add plus 5 first. So start from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We made 5 jumps here and we reach at plus 5. In that plus 5 we have to add minus 3. And whenever we are adding any negative integer, we have to move towards left hand side. Okay. So we have to move towards left hand side. How many jumps? 3 jumps. So 1, 2 and 3. So where we reach? We reach at 2. So what will be the answer? Answer will be 2. How we got that? See here students, just now we discussed that if one integer is negative, one integer is positive, then we have to subtract. And after subtracting, what answer will get? 5 minus 3 is 2. What is the sign of greater number? Plus. So plus 2 will be the answer. And here also we got plus 2 only. I hope you understood this also. See one more example here. Add minus 5 and plus 3. In previous example we saw that 5 was positive and 3 was negative. Now here 5 is negative and 3 is positive. See here how to add. So again we have to start from minus 5. So make one directly jump from 0 to 5 or direct 5 jumps you can make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where we reach? Minus 5. Now why we move towards left hand side? As 5 is negative integer. Now in that we have to add positive integer. So move towards right hand side now. From where? From 5. So right hand side, positive integer. 1, 2 and 3. Where we reach? We reach at minus 2. Therefore answer is minus 2. And in previous examples we studied that if one integer is negative and another integer is positive, again we have to subtract. Therefore 5 minus 3 is what? 2. What is the sign of greater number? Minus. So minus 2 is the answer. And here also we got minus 2. I hope you understood this also. I hope you understood whatever we discussed today. Thank you. Have a nice day.